Posh camping this time.
Well posh.
We are at Mosswood.
Mouldy Wood camping and caravan site.
Mosswood caravan site just outside Garstang in Lancashire, and it has to be one of the most beautiful sites I think we've been to so far.
Yeah, normally you find us on some random car park, some lay-by, some whatever, because we like to do a bit of off-griddy wild parking and stuff, as you well know. But now and again we like to treat ourselves, and because our YouTube gazillionaire-ness and YouTube fame has just been building and building and building, to avoid paying like mega super tax, we need to spend some of us YouTube earnings. That's why we've come here for 3 nights. Yes, 3. How much a night is it?
£31
a night. Now I know on the scheme of things actually that's not bad, and actually it's a bargain, isn't it? Because we had a look at some camping and caravan club sites just to get a comparison, and we would have been paying, I don't know, 40 quid, even more on some of them. Cheeky. So that's what we're up to.
The real reason is that, believe it or not, we do have some friends and they invited us to come along because they have a caravan.
Yes. Now, even though they have a caravan, we still speak to them. And it does obviously make them a little bit older. And that's the elephant in the room, because my bestie mate from school, Chris, is a little bit older than us, but he get held back a few years on the trot. So that's why we're in the same school year, because they wouldn't let him move on until he got his home economics qualification.
So hello to Chris and Ellen, and thank you for inviting us and finding this lovely little campsite. It is a little gem, I feel, and we've had a good look round. We've been here 3 nights and it's been lovely.
Otherwise, if you're ever thinking of coming to Tokyo or Thailand, yeah, hit me up. Cool, love you, bro. Take care, bye.
It's been a bit of a luxury for me being on a fully serviced pitch. Although I've got to say, I question the value to a motorhome, because we filled up with water when we come in, and it's not like I'm running a permanent supply like some of the caravans do. Emptying my grey waste for him to drive over grey, so I've still got that process of decanting into a container and then pouring it down a drain, but I don't have to walk as far with a full container. So service pitch has been quite good, but I would never pay extra for it. It's just part of the price here, so Brucey bonus.
But if maybe we'd been here for a week or 2, then that would have been more advantageous.
It would have stopped us moving van for water and stuff.
Oh, bored. What a lovely walk we've had this afternoon. But we're off now to go and have a walk down to a local brewery. It's about a 40-minute walk or a 5-minute drive, and it's got lots of different beers and food, and it's dog friendly if you sit outside under the patio heaters.
In the rain.
How far have we got to walk home?
About 2 miles, at least. 27 miles.
What a lovely way to spend an evening. Highly recommend the pizza.
10 quid for a pizza. And it was really good, wasn't it? Really, it was proper
good. Beer, you enjoyed the beer, didn't you?
Beer's been really nice. There's loads to choose from. Loads of craft beers, dark, light, fruity, everything. and price wise it's all right. So yeah, it's just that it's nearly 2 miles from where we're parked, so it's like 45-minute walk, isn't it?
Come on.
God.
To burn off your pizza somehow. Well, Posh camping didn't last long.
Yes, we are back up to our old tricks on a car park full of gravel and stuff, but it's got lovely views, hasn't it? It's lovely.
Although last night it was shockingly windy again, and that's what you get for being at Maryport Harbour.
Yes, and we've been here a lot, and we've been here a few nights now, but we've been here a number of occasions. We've featured it in various other videos that we've done. We'll still what 3 words it there, but if you want to see more about it, you'd have to look back. There's no point going over the same stuff again. But we had a cracking time at Mouldy Wood. No one wants Mouldy Wood, do they? At Mouldy Wood campsite with Chris and Ellen, my mate from school, our mate from school, and Ellen, who's not a mate from school. That's confusing, isn't it? Mm-hmm. She's a mate that's not from school. She did go to school, I'm sure, but not our school.
So getting back to the point, why are we back in a car park, Andrew?
I don't know. I never know anything. I don't know.
Well, if you've been watching us for a while, you know that very soon we're going to be first-time grandparents, and today is the day.
I's gonna be granddaddy.
However, today hasn't been the day, so we are still in the car park awaiting news.
Yes, because like every other woman in my family, this new woman is late.
So next time you join us, we will be grandparents.
I know what you're thinking. I do look too young to be a granddaddy,
You
don't I?
You
I
don't.
do.
You're very grey. Although you have shaved, you don't look as grey now.